Well, we're out here with the chickens and the turkeys. They're enjoying the afternoon. It was really hot today, so they're just now coming out and getting around the yard. Matilda, Thomas, you're so pretty. Yes, hi. So friendly. Matilda's been more friendly too. Hi, Matilda. I think she's gonna go up there and dust bathe. She sure is. She just kicked Isabella out. They like going up in there and dust bathing in the old garden when the squirrel got. There she goes. Dust bathing. There's Thomas Jake watching over everybody. Chicken girls are all out here. They are. Hi, Thomas Jake. Hello. Here's the other girls. Oh, I gotta show you the eggs for today. Look at this. We got 12 eggs today. Beautiful eggs. All different colors. So fun. I've been hard boiling them too and snacking on them. They're really good hard boiled as well. Thank you, girls. You did so good today. I think this warm weather is really, in the longer days, is really helping. They're all happy. It was 85 today. We were real cold just a few days ago. And now here we're like summer again. Pretty girls. Thank you for all the eggs. And Thomas Jake, thank you for watching over everybody, keeping them safe. Yeah. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time. Please subscribe. Bye for now.